Voyager 1 is more than just a machine, it's a symbol of human curiosity. Launched in 1977, it was sent to explore Jupiter and Saturn during a rare planetary alignment. Using gravity assists, Voyager 1 slingshotted from one giant to the next, revealing Jupiter's storms and Io's erupting volcanoes, unexpected geological activity so far from the Sun. At Saturn, it unveiled the complexity of the rings and discovered new moons, transforming our understanding of the solar system. After its planetary tour, Voyager 1 kept going, destined to leave the solar system. In 1990, at Carl Sagan's request, it turned back for a final photo, the pale blue dot, showing Earth as a tiny speck in the vastness. That image changed our perspective, reminding us of our smallness and unity. Decades later, Voyager 1 is the farthest human-made object from Earth, having crossed into interstellar space. It carries the golden record music, greetings and images, a message in a bottle for any who might find it. Voyager 1 is our silent ambassador, carrying humanity's story into the unknown. Its journey is a testament to our drive to explore, to reach beyond what we know. The probe's endurance and discoveries have inspired generations. Even as its power fades, its legacy grows. Voyager 1 reminds us that our curiosity can outlast lifetimes. It's a lonely wanderer, but it carries all of us with it. In the darkness between stars, it whispers our existence to the cosmos. We may be small, but through Voyager, we are present in the galaxy. The story of Voyager 1 is the story of humanity's hope and wonder. In late 2024, Atlas detected something extraordinary. A fast-moving object on a hyperbolic path not bound to our sun. It was only the third interstellar object ever found. 3I/Atlas. Unlike its predecessors, it was larger and its trajectory would bring it near Voyager 1 in the emptiness of interstellar space. The astronomical community buzzed with excitement. Early observations showed no cometary tail, suggesting a rocky, not icy composition. Its surface reflected light unevenly, hinting at a patchwork of materials. Some speculated it was a fragment of an exoplanet, others wondered if it was something stranger. The object was moving at 90 kilometers per second, just passing through with little time to study it. Every telescope turned to track it, but distance limited what we could learn. We yearned for a closer look at this messenger from another star. Then, a bold idea emerged. What if Voyager 1 could observe it? The universe had set the stage for a unique encounter. 3I/Atlas was a cosmic visitor, and Voyager 1 was our only outpost nearby. The possibilities were endless, but time was short. Scientists debated what it could be, debris, artifact, or something entirely new. The world watched as plans formed to seize this fleeting opportunity. The chance to study an interstellar object up close was unprecedented. Could Voyager 1, our ancient explorer, rise to the challenge? The idea was risky, but irresistible. The stage was set for a meeting between two wanderers from different stars. Humanity prepared to reach farther than ever before. The cosmos had delivered a mystery to our doorstep, and we were ready to answer. The idea to use Voyager 1 started as a whisper, then became a serious proposal. Voyager 1 was old, its technology ancient, its power fading. The plan reawakened dormant instruments, point them at 3I/Atlas. Turning them back on could cause a fatal failure. The chance to study an interstellar object was too good to pass up. Voyager 1's fate hung in the balance. We chose to act, not out of certainty, but out of hope. The ancient explorer would try to awaken one last time. The obstacles were immense. Voyager 1 was over 24 billion kilometers away. Commands took 44 hours for a reply. Its computer was ancient, with less memory than a modern key fob. Engineers had to dig through decades-old documentation and revive forgotten programming languages. The new team became both archaeologists and rocket scientists. 3I/Atlas was a moving target, its path uncertain. Even a tiny error in calculations could mean Voyager would miss its mark. Earth-based telescopes constantly refined the object's trajectory. Timing had to be perfect. The encounter would last only hours. Interstellar space is harsh, filled with cosmic rays that could cripple Voyager at any moment. The probe was operating at the edge of possibility. Every command was a leap of faith. The odds were stacked against us, but the potential reward was too great to ignore. We pressed on, determined to make history. The team at JPL began the delicate process, sending test signals to Voyager 1. The first responses came back. Voyager was still listening. Step by step, they rerouted power and warmed up the instruments. Telemetry showed the plasma wave and magnetometer systems responding. Excitement grew as the final command was sent. Point at 3I/Atlas and collect data. Then, silence. The 44-hour mark passed. No data, no signal. The control room fell quiet, screens remained blank. Had the final command failed? Had Voyager suffered a fatal glitch? Days passed. The team sent command after command trying to re-establish contact. Nothing. The media reported Voyager 1 had gone dark. It seemed our bold attempt had cost us our oldest explorer. Disappointment was immense. The world mourned the possible loss of a legend. Had we reached too far, too late? The silence was deafening. Just as hope faded, a faint, garbled signal appeared at the Deep Space Network. Voyager 1 wasn't dead, it was trying to talk, but the data was corrupted. The probe had entered science mode, sending raw data in a format no one expected. The team became digital detectives, piecing together fragments from the 1970 S-era instruments. They wrote new software, searching for patterns and familiar markers. Slowly they reconstructed frames from the magnetometer, strange, fluctuating readings. Plasma wave data showed a spike in activity far above the background. Voyager had turned, looked, and seen something. The data was there, but trapped in a digital puzzle. The team worked around the clock, determined to unlock the message. The attempt had not failed. It had become a race against time and entropy. Voyager 1 had done its job. Now, it was up to us to understand what it had witnessed. The world watched as the mystery deepened. The ancient probe had spoken. If only we could translate. The story was not over. It had just become more intriguing. After weeks of work, the team finally decoded the data. Voyager 1's magnetometer detected a powerful, structured magnetic field as 3I/Atlas passed. It wasn't the chaotic field of a natural object, it pulsed with regularity like a machine. The plasma wave instrument recorded a complex burst of radio waves, structured and repetitive. This wasn't random noise, but a signal with clear patterns, like technological chatter. The cosmic ray subsystem detected a faint thermal signature. More heat than a dead rock should emit. The evidence was overwhelming. Magnetic field, radio emissions, heat. 3I/Atlas wasn't a comet or asteroid. It was a piece of technology, an artifact, a probe from another civilization. Old, damaged, tumbling through space, but unmistakably artificial. We had sent our message in a bottle into the galaxy. Now, by cosmic chance, the galaxy had sent one back. The discovery was both thrilling and humbling. We were not alone in reaching for the stars. The universe had answered our call, not with a greeting, but with evidence of another explorer. The implications were staggering. 3I/Atlas was a relic, a ghost ship from another world. Its secrets would fuel science for generations. Voyager 1 had made the greatest discovery in human history. The cosmos had spoken, and we were listening. The search for meaning had just begun. The universe was suddenly much larger and much more mysterious. The news changed everything. Confirmation of another technological civilization. Humanity was united in awe and humility. The debate about life elsewhere was over. The question now was, who were they? Scientists pored over every byte of Voyager's data, searching for clues. 3I/Atlas was ancient, likely a derelict probe, a silent testament to another species' ambition. The encounter revitalized space exploration and SETI, shifting focus to searching for artifacts. Governments invested in new telescopes and missions. We became cosmic archaeologists, hunting for technological fossils. The discovery gave us perspective. Our division seemed smaller. We were all inhabitants of the pale blue dot, now part of a larger cosmic story. The event taught us about the universe and about ourselves. It forced us to consider our own future as explorers. The legacy of Voyager 1 and 3I/Atlas would shape humanity's destiny. We had found proof that we were not the first to reach for the stars. Voyager 1's final act was a legacy of hope. It proved that even our oldest tools can reveal the universe's greatest secrets. The little probe that explored our solar system showed us we are part of a vast cosmic neighborhood. Future missions will search for more artifacts like 3I/Atlas. The search for life now includes the hunt for technological fossils. Voyager 1 continues its journey, silent but immortal. Its golden record is no longer just a hopeful call. It is now an answer. We are here. We are thinking. We are exploring. We are part of the great cosmic conversation. Voyager 1 reminds us to keep looking up, driven by wonder. The encounter with 3I/Atlas affirmed our quest to explore. The universe is vast, full of unimaginable wonders. As long as we keep searching, we will find our place among the stars. The story of Voyager 1 is the story of all of us, curious, hopeful, and reaching for the unknown.